How to add stickers in PickU. Want to add some fun, sass, or sparkle to your photos? Let's add sticker in PickU in just a few taps. Tap the plus button, tap Edit, and choose your photos from your gallery, maybe a selfie, pet pic, or something that need a little fun. Once your photo loads, tap on the sticker icon. It's usually at the bottom, look like a simply face or labeled. Browse through the sticker categories. You will see emojis, flowers, cute animals, peaches, bubbles, seasonal trending stickers. Pick any that fits you. Tap it to add. Now you can customize your sticker. You can drag, you can rotate, you can resize it. Tap to delete if you change your mind. Layer them or go full chaos. Your photo, your rules. When you are done decorating, tap save and boom, your photo just went from plain to popping. That's it. Sticker make everything better, from birthday edits to meme materials. If you had fun, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.